Important safety instructions. Save these instructions. Household use only. When using an electrical appliance, basic precautions should always be followed, including the following. Read all instructions before using this appliance. Failure to follow the warnings and instructions may result in electric shock, fire, and/or serious injury. Warning: to reduce the risk of fire, electric shock, or injury. 1. This appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above and persons with reduced physical, sensory or mental capabilities or lack of experience and knowledge. If they have been given supervision or instruction concerning use of the appliance in a safe way and understand the hazards involved. Children should not play with the appliance. Cleaning and user maintenance shall not be performed by children without supervision. 2. The appliance is not to be used by persons, including children, with reduced physical, sensory or mental capabilities, or lack of experience and knowledge, unless they have been given supervision or instruction. 3. Use only indoors. On non-carpeted floor surfaces such as vinyl, tile, sealed wood, etc. Be careful not to run over loose objects or edges of area rugs. Stalling the brush may result in premature belt failure. 4. Do not allow to be used as a toy. Close attention is necessary when used by or near children, pets or plants. 5. Use only as described in this manual. Use only manufacturer's recommended attachments. 6. Do not use with a damaged cord or plug. If appliance has been dropped, damaged, left outdoors, dropped into water, or is not working as it should, return it to a service center. 7. Do not handle charger, including charger plug, and charger terminals with wet hands. 8. Do not put any object into openings. Do not use with any opening blocked, keep free of dust, lint, hair, and anything that may reduce airflow. 9. Keep hair, loose clothing, fingers, and all parts of your body away from openings and moving parts. 10. Use extra care when cleaning on stairs. 11. Do not use to pick up flammable or combustible liquids, such as gasoline, or use in areas where they may be present. 12. Do not pick up anything that is burning or smoking, such as cigarettes, matches, or hot ashes. 13. Do not use without filter. 14. Prevent unintentional activation. Ensure the switch is in the off position before picking up or carrying the appliance. Carrying the appliance with your finger on the switch or energizing appliance that have the switch on invites accidents. 15. Always switch off the appliance before making any adjustments, changing accessories, or storing the appliance. Such preventive safety measures reduce the risk of starting the appliance accidentally. 16. Recharge only with the charger specified by Tineco. A charger that is suitable for one type of battery pack may create a risk of fire when used with another battery pack. 17. Use appliances only with specifically designated Tineco battery packs. Use of any other battery packs may create a risk of injury and fire. 18. Under abusive conditions, liquid may be ejected from the battery. Avoid contact. If contact accidentally occurs, flush with water. If liquid comes into eye contact, seek medical help. Liquid ejected from the battery may cause irritation or burns. 19. Do not use a battery pack or appliance that is damaged or modified. Damaged or modified batteries may exhibit unpredictable behavior resulting in fire, explosion or risk of injury. 20. Do not expose a battery pack or appliance to fire or excessive temperature. Exposure to fire or temperature above 266 degrees Fahrenheit 130 degrees Celsius may cause an explosion. 21. follow all charging instructions and do not charge the battery pack or appliance outside of the temperature range specified in the instructions. Charging improperly or at temperatures outside of the specified range may damage the battery and increase the risk of fire. 22. Have servicing performed by a qualified repair person using only identical replacement parts. This will ensure that the safety of the product is maintained. 23. This appliance contains battery cells that are non-replaceable. Do not modify or attempt to repair the appliance or the battery pack except as indicated in the instructions for use and care. 24. Always turn off this appliance before connecting or disconnecting the motorized nozzle. 25. Do not charge or store the appliance outdoors or inside the car. Only charge, store or use the battery in a dry indoor area where the temperature is higher than 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit 4 degrees Celsius, but lower than 104 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius. The charger is for indoor use only. 26. Do not use to pick up ultrafine particles, such as lime, cement, sawdust, gypsum, powder, or ashes. 27. Do not use to pick up sharp objects, such as metallic nails, pieces of glass, metal paper, clips, or pins. 28. Do not use to pick up hazardous material and chemicals, such as solvent, drain cleaner, strong acids, or strong alkali. 29. Stop using immediately if the appliance is overheating, making unusual noises, producing unusual odors, performing low suction, or leaks electricity. 30. Turn cleaner off and disconnect from electrical outlet for long-term storage. 31. Always clean the dirty water tank after each use to avoid potential blockage, which may lead to low suction power, motor overheating, or reduce the service life of the appliance. 32. Store appropriately indoors in a dry place after use. 33. Do not place or submerge appliance in standing water or try to clean flooded areas. 34. All data and technical instructions of this manual are based on results from lab tests of Tineco or designated third parties. The company reserves all rights for final explanations. 35. The plug must be removed from the socket outlet before cleaning or maintaining the appliance. 36. A hazard may occur if the appliance runs over the supply cord. 37. Do not use the appliance when the water depth is more than 5 mm above the surface. 38. Do not pull or carry by cord. Use cord as a handle, close a door on cord, or pull cord around sharp edges or corners.